For example, dear. You call your friend dear. Dear Prashant.